hosting with the supremely gorgeous Sunny Leone. Tell us about your experience.
No, I have to have a question. From hosting a show with two bald guys for 11 years, how did it feel to host a show with Sunny?
So, first of all, the first time I met her was for this promo, where we're supposed to be, you know, we have some, he came on the set, and I was like, okay, jaldi jaldi kaam hoga, whatever, we'll have to wait. She is by far one of the nicest persons to work with. Very cool, very, like, she's also very goofy and funny, and she loves to just, you know, chill. ऐसा नहीं है कि अच्छा काम हो गया, शॉर्ट हो गया, ओके मैं वापस वैन में जा रही हूँ. No, she's very cool, very chilled out, and I think इतनी गर्मी में जिस हिसाब से हम लोगों ने काम किया and जिस professionalism से हम लोगों ने काम किया, that is what has made this show so special, and that's the respect that we get from the kids, the contestants, and when they look at Sunny and me doing all of those things, they also go for it, man, 100%. So I have to give a big round of applause for Sunny. To work with her was an amazing, amazing experience. Even the crew, you know, Debbie has worked with her last year, Colosseum has worked with her last year, and they were telling me, when you work with her, you will love it. And that's exactly what's happened. So is she listening to all of this? Because I'm hoping
she may be listening to it. Well, that's great to hear, Ranvijay. And now we've spoken so much about sexy host of Splitsvilla Season 8. Here we have Sunny Leone!
You wanted to get with two guys like this for a kick to fame. Better feel no shame. Can handle the heat, then you're out of the game.
How pretty is she looking, guys? Please, everybody, take a seat. This is going to take a while. We're gonna have some more of this later. Yeah, कर लेंगे, साथ में कर लेंगे. पहले ये खत्म कर ले पहले.
Check.
All right, some quick questions. Sunny, this is your second season here. We loved you the last season. The audience loved you. We at MTV had a blast watching you. Tell us what made you come back this season to host MTV Splitsvilla yet again.
Well, last year, when this question was asked to me, I grew up watching MTV. Bachpan said, MTV dekh rahi hu. And I always wanted to be a part of a show like this. I've always wanted to be a part of a brand, part of MTV. And this is like a dream for me to be able to do this. And a second time, it was just as fun, if not more fun. We had a great time shooting, and I knew that these kids would be crazy, they would be insane, there would be so much fun to watch, watching their progression from the first day to the very last day. It's a very interesting thing to watch.
Well, it has been a great journey for both of you, I'm pretty sure. This season is all about finding a man finding his way to a woman's heart. And you are very clearly this season's love guru, is what I've heard, or is what I've been told. Tell us a little bit more about that. How was playing this role for you?
Well, मैंने बहुत कोशिश किया to give these kids good advice. I would talk from my perspective, what a woman likes, what I would like a man to do, or my experiences in the past with different relationships or different situations. Because वो जो situations होते villa में, they actually happen in real life as well. Maybe not to this dramatic level, but they do, exactly. But they do happen. So I did try to give them as much advice as possible.
Okay, I'm sure there are a lot of guys out here who would like to know a little bit of that advice too. Is there any mantra as such that guys need to know? You know, when you're dealing with a woman, these are a few things you need to take care of. This is a
respect, chivalry, the ability to listen, but actually not in this ear, out the other listen, but to retain the information that the woman is saying, the girl is saying to you. And I know, Jab, you know, for our kids, for Splitsvilla, both young, they're all young, they all have their own set of how things should be in life, but as you get older, you notice that you should listen to what a woman wants. Because I'm sure a lot of husbands here will agree, happy wife, happy life.
Well, to sum up the question here, what made Splitsvilla Season 8 special for you? What is it that makes this season different from the others?
Well, I hosted only...
Thank you, yeah, thanks.
I was actually just, you know, you jumped the gun, but I was going to say Run Vijay definitely made it a lot of fun. We laughed a lot, both Masti Kiya, both Kaam Kiya. We worked many, many hours, someday 20 hours, 22 hours, no sleep, but that's the reality of reality television, is you have to go with the flow, and that was a lot of fun. We shot in Goa. Bahut garmi tha, but...
Yeah, Goa is one of those places where everybody's like, wow, what a life. You guys, you went to Goa to work, huh? Wow. But if you actually realize, standing out in the sun for 5-6 hours straight, and kudos to Sunny, you know, not one problem ever, always. We had such a blast. Yeah. And the kids this time, they're also really, really nice, enthusiastic kids. Actually, I enjoyed Splitsvilla 7 also, and we got some great statistics that Addy just told us, highest viewed and all of that. So I think the kids last time were also great, but this time the lot that we have are amazing.
Well, they're boys. There are celebrity boys that are going to feature on this season of Splitsvilla Season 8. All right, so with a huge round of applause, we're